these up. I'm also super blind and my prescription strength is -6.5. And this is what they look like. And these are the Noi Megas. I actually need to take out my contacts first. I brought a little BioTrue lens solution with me. So you take your 2 fingers and pull your lid down and your ring fingers to squeeze and pinch this baby off. Okay, other contact is out. Oh, I'm going to spill this everywhere. These feel really, really soft. It's giving Barbie doll, it's giving mega huge eyeball, and I love it. Okay, based on my lenses and my outfit, I think I'm gonna go for more pinky makeup, like princessy makeup. I think that's the vibes for today, and that's usually my vibes for every day. If you know me, you know. Although I've also been obsessing over blue makeup recently, and I kind of love that too. Okay, because the tears were streaming, not really tears, but the contact solution was streaming down my face, I am going to fix up my concealer really quick before I continue. I wanted all of my foundation and contouring to be done before I started because I do the same method every video. You know, sometimes when you find something that really suits your face, you just stick with it, you know? What am I doing now? Let's do blush. Blush. My classic Dior. This is my favorite. I like my face really blushed up. And honestly, colored contacts really raise the game in makeup. Since we're going the Dior route today, I'm also going to use the Dior Maximizer. This was the one in my one of my recent videos where I accidentally applied it as lip gloss because like I don't fully read things. And when I saw multi-use, I just like immediately assumed that the multi was also lip gloss, and apparently it's not. Just gonna dab this in. I got this Amuse palette from YesStyle. My rewards code is Valpal321. So if you want a little discount, definitely use that. It's a rewards code. Also use a coupon code to save even more. Pull out my nice little brushes. I just use this first color right here. Amuse doesn't label their palettes. Oh, maybe they're on the back. I'm done. Okay. I'm using this first color, Veiled Pink. Why would they put them on the back? Let me just add this shade all over my top lid. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this rose petal color. It's this third one. And I'm gonna put this in the 2 corners of my eye. Honestly, my under eye is like so light right now that I don't know if I'm gonna even attempt an Egg Sao. Ooh, no, I'm not gonna do it. I was thinking about applying a chunky glitter. I'm not gonna do it, not this time, because I still have not opened it and I wanna do another unboxing video. I have so many products to do unboxing videos for. It's actually crazy. We're applying the glitters with a flat brush in the middle of my eye. I feel like a Disney princess right now with these contacts. Like, oh wait, and I don't even remember if I pointed it out, but I'm using the rose water glitter right now, this like middle one. Okay, that's pretty cute. Let's add all my liners. I'm doing the Deep Raisin. That is a name. Do you guys like me with bangs? Or like this? When I went to Ulta yesterday, I really, really wanted to pick up eyelash extensions for like the bottom lid, but I only saw them for the top lid, and I was very sad. I mean, I can order some on Amazon, but like, so I used to have some, and I used to like, okay, I was so extra with my makeup in sophomore year because I used to apply them like daily to my lower lid, and they would take forever to apply. Like, it genuinely made my makeup practice so long, and that's why I stopped doing it, because I'm like, I'll just put mascara on my like natural lashes. Like I'll just like put up with it. But they genuinely did look so good, and now that I'm like doing some more like makeup tutorials, I kind of want to buy them again. I'm probably the most like lazy beauty influencer out there. Like I do a lot. Like I do a lot of like beauty routines. Like a lot. But I do them in a way where I'm like doing them all with like the least amount of effort that I can ever put in. I feel like every time I get a YouTube notification, I'm like hoping it's like one of my Valpals commenting to me, and then it's always just like a reel, like a new reel posted. And I'm like, why am I getting notified about this? Like, if I want to look at reels, I will open the app. And if anyone like regularly wears colored contacts, please give me your tips and whatnot on how to keep them moisturized. Moist. Ugh. I just got freaking mascara on my eyeball. For a little bit, I stopped lining my lips for a little bit. Like, I just had a little break. Like, I've been at home. I've just been like trying to feel better, trying to be healthier, like, because I've been having like some health problems. They're not like life-threatening or anything. They're just like very, very inconvenient. You know, when it's like just hard enough to function that like everything feels really, really difficult. It's like that. Like, I've been basically having problems with my ears, my jaw, and like I've gotten a few different diagnoses. I'm just not sure which one is actually like really making the problem bad. Maybe they're all like feeding on each other, and maybe, but like, because it's so hard for me to function, I basically took this semester off, and I'm just working to get these symptoms under control so I can actually like function, because I'm always dizzy and always in pain, and I like have unfortunately not really gotten better even though I've been getting treated. I'm basically only good enough to function at home and like sometimes go places. I can't drive myself anywhere. It's just very, very scary to drive because I'm also like extremely dizzy, like I said, and like driving while you're dizzy and like worrying that you're gonna get in an accident the whole time, or like pass out or get stuck somewhere is like not a good feeling. But anyways, what I was saying was I have not been using this lip liner, and I noticed when I tried it again for the first time yesterday, all of a sudden it applied really clumpy. And I've never had this thing apply clumpy. So I don't know if we're gonna get the same problem today. That's why I just kind of like made a little circle on my wrist. I'm hoping that like warms it up, that like gets rid of the problem. But I'm gonna give myself plump little princess lips. And we're gonna hope that this works still. It seems better. It seems better than yesterday. So maybe I really did just need to warm it up. Super cute, super pouty. Definitely much bigger than my lips before. Also, I am going to use, ow, my nail. I'm going to use my new Summer Friday pink. I think it's considered more of a lip oil, but it still reads as a gloss. So I'm gonna use this. because it's new. It's my newest lippy. Well, my newest lippy that I have unboxed. We'll say that. It's like super, super cute. I love this so much. And Summer Fridays has been trending recently, so I really like using the trending brands. So I'm going back in with my Cream Shop Hello Kitty, because this one is a wee bit darker. Just gonna put this on the inside and my Cupid's bow. I have this whole Hello Kitty Creme Shop. I always say Cream Shop, but it's creme, I think. I don't know. Someone inform me of what it actually is. What do we think of this look? It's giving princess. And we've got the whole outfit. I also have my necklace from eShop Hera. It's all glittery, sparkly. It's giving princess. And the top that you can't really see, I'll say, I get up a little. It's giving princess vibes. I really love it. I think the lenses, definitely a good place to start. Especially if you want to level up your makeup looks. Lenses, absolutely perfect. They've been comfortable the whole time I've been wearing them for this makeup tutorial. I will wear them all day, and I will look into how to keep our lenses hydrated. Keep our lenses hydrated. And let me know what brands that you've tried. Again, this is the brand Lenssis. Super cute. I'm super happy they reached out to me because I've been obsessed with lenses lately. And these are gorgeous. Again, these are the Noi Megas. Basically, the difference between the Megas and the regular, I think there's a bit more of a diameter. Yeah. So the Megas have a 14.7 millimeter diameter and a 14 millimeter G diameter. And the regular Nois have 14.2 and 13.5. So these are quite a bit more enlarging. I love enlarging lenses. I love them with a passion. That's all I freaking like to wear. But I am excited to do a little makeup tutorial with these guys too. And that'll probably be my next video, actually. So keep an eye on it. I will let you know how these work out. And these are the monthlies. I recommend. Thank you for joining me for this little get ready with me, sponsored by Lenssis. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you end up redoing my little princess look. Definitely tag me or message me if you just want to show me. Like, I want to see. Or if you know any really good makeup brands, definitely also tag me because I am obsessed with makeup and that's all I buy. But yeah. I'm actually really loving this final look. The lenses really pull everything together. It's giving doll, it's giving Barbie, it's giving princess. I love them. Okay. I will see you later, Valpals. Thank you for joining with me. Thank you for listening to me talk.